Hi, and thanks for stopping by. My name's Larry Weinstein, and I'm both a CPA and the founder of SolveMyTaxProblems.com. And today I wanted to answer the question, how can I keep a wage levy from happening in the first place? Well, a wage levy is where the IRS notifies your employer that you owe them money and that they would like the employer to start withholding money from your paycheck to submit to the IRS in payment of what the IRS feels that monies are due them. The way in which you can keep money from being withheld from your paycheck, also known as a wage levy, also known as a wage garnishment, is several-fold. One, don't owe any money to the IRS. If you don't owe money to the IRS, then clearly they can't levy a paycheck, or they can't garnish a paycheck. So if you don't owe them any money, they cannot garnish your paycheck. Secondly, make sure all your taxes are filed. If you don't file your taxes, then the IRS may file your taxes for you. That's known as a substitute for a return. When they do a substitute for a return, likely you're going to owe taxes when they finish filing the substitute for a return. And thirdly, if you do file your taxes and you owe money, then you must deal with it. You can't just leave the balance sitting out there, because it will continue to accrue interest and penalties. The IRS will expect to be paid, and if you don't pay them, then eventually they might levy a paycheck, also known as a garnishment. They also might levy your bank account, or garnish your bank account, or seize your bank account. All three of those are the same thing. And the bottom line is, if you don't owe any money to the IRS, then they have no right to garnish a paycheck. They have no right to levy your paycheck. So the answer to the question, is there anything that I can do to keep the IRS from garnishing my paycheck or levying my paycheck, is simply don't owe money to the IRS. If you do owe money to the IRS, enter into some type of acceptable agreement with them. And if you do, they will no longer pursue enforced collection activity on you. I appreciate you stopping by today and look forward to talking to you real soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.